Imagine this. A patient comes to the hospital with an emergency. The receptionist is searching for files. The doctor doesn't have the patient's history. Lab reports are delayed. Medicines are not updated. Billing takes time. And the patient keeps waiting. How many hospitals still face these problems every single day?
That's exactly why we created MS Kyochain.
MS Kyochain is not just a hospital management system. It is a complete healthcare ecosystem with 11 powerful portals plus an advanced solution technology, all working together to make hospitals faster, smarter, and more patient-friendly. Let me show you how each portal solves a real problem. Patient Portal. Problems. Patients forget prescriptions, lose reports, and struggle to track their treatments. Solutions. The patient portal keeps all medical records, prescriptions, appointments, reports, and treatment history in one place. Benefits. Patients always have access to their health information anytime and anywhere.
Doctor Portal.
Problems. Doctors spend valuable time searching for patient records instead of treating patients. Solutions. Doctors can instantly access patient history, prescriptions, reports, diagnoses, and follow-up details. Benefits. Better decisions, faster consultations, and improved patient care. Nurse Portal. Problems. Managing patient care manually leads to delays and communication gaps. Solutions. Nurses receive real-time patient updates, medication schedules, and treatment instructions. Benefits. Improved coordination and better patient monitoring.
Lab Portal.
Problems. Lab reports often take time to reach doctors and patients. Solutions. Test requests, report generation, and report sharing happen digitally. Benefits. Faster diagnosis and reduced waiting time.
Pharmacy Portal.
Problems. Medicine stock shortages and prescription confusion. Solutions. Digital prescription management and live inventory tracking. Benefits. Accurate medicine dispensing and better inventory control.
Staff Portal.
Problems. Poor staff coordination and communication. Solutions. Centralized staff management, scheduling, and task tracking. Benefits. Better teamwork and smoother operations. Doctor Admin Portal. Problem. Hospital management lacks real-time operational visibility. Solution. One dashboard to monitor staff, departments, finances, appointments, and performance. Benefit. Better decision-making and hospital efficiency. Emergency Portal. Problem. In emergencies, every second matters. Solution. Instant access to patient information, emergency alerts, and rapid coordination. Benefit. Faster response and improved patient survival. Radiology Portal. Problem. X-rays, CT scans, and MRI reports are often scattered across systems. Solution. A dedicated radiology portal stores, manages, and shares medical images digitally with doctors instantly. Benefit. Faster image access, quicker diagnosis, reduced report delays, and better collaboration between radiologists and doctors.
Help Desk Portal.
Problems. Patients struggle to get timely assistance and information. Solutions. Centralized support for inquiries, requests, and complaints. Benefits. Faster support and improved patient satisfaction.
HR Portal.
Problems. Manual employee management is time consuming and error prone. Solutions: automated attendance, payroll, leave, and employee records. Benefits: efficient workforce management and reduced administrative work. Now imagine all these portals connected together. A patient books an appointment. The doctor receives the patient's history. The lab updates reports instantly. Radiology scans are available immediately. The pharmacy receives prescriptions automatically. Billing is generated instantly. Management gets real-time insights. No paperwork, no delays, no confusion. Just connected healthcare. That is the power of MS CureChain. We are not simply managing hospitals. We are transforming the entire healthcare experience for doctors, staff, management, and most importantly, patients. MS CureChain. One platform. Every department. Complete healthcare transformation.